Hey everyone, this is Charger RTO6. This is going to be my first video on Ubuntu. I'm going to be telling you how to do basics as far as navigation, and going to give you a little overview of the videos more to come. I know that I didn't do much detail on my other video, just wanting to get that up and get that out there circulating. Okay, we're logged in. First, just want to make a comment about the desktop. As you see, it's just like Windows. I'm going to change that, and I'll show you how to do that a little later. This is the menu, the application menu. All of our programs that are installed, pre-installed, these are all defaults, and all of these are the application that I am going to be making my videos on. So this will give me about 10 videos in the accessories. Anyways, and each one of them, I know games has a bunch, and that'll be individual videos, so hope y'all will enjoy. I might have to break this video up into 2 segments, just in case it's under the 10-minute limit, if it's over, so just forewarning you. Okay. First thing we're going to start off with is file browsing. We're going to go to Places, and we're going to go to My Computer. This is the equivalent to My Computer on your Windows machine. And by the way, I'm running this in VirtualBox. If y'all want to, I'll put a link in the description for downloads. We have CD, DVD, ROM drive, floppy drive, and our file system, which would be your C drive. It could be CD, whatever you have it on your computer, on your Windows. Let's go in here and nose around. In this folder is just all the system folders that we're using to run Ubuntu. Network places, I have it set up my wireless network, my desktop PC, and all my shared folders right here. We have the file browsing is just like in Windows, forward, back, up, stop, reload, all that stuff. This is my folder in here. I don't use this, so I don't put no folders in, no files on it. So all our tabs or menus are just like your Windows machine, basic commands and stuff. And the trash can, the equivalent to the recycling bin on Windows, is empty. And I think that's about all I want to show you in here, and we can move on to something better. Next, I'm going to talk about this desktop. Right click like Windows, change desktop background. Unlike Windows, Ubuntu doesn't have that many pre-installed backgrounds. We only have 4, but you can use your own picture as shown right here. Just choose it from wherever. You can change background color and style, zoom, and everything. Let's go to themes. Have about 10 to 12 themes pre-installed. The default's that orange one called Human. I don't like that one. I have it set as the blue one up here at the top called Clock, whatever, car locks or whatever. Fonts, system fonts, I don't mess with that. That'll be another video on all the fonts, the default fonts in Ubuntu. I just leave it like it is. Inferences and visual effects, I don't mess with that either, but hey. Okay, let's close this. Now, when we right click, we have all the normal things like create new documents, new folders and stuff as Windows. Icons, I don't have any icons on here, but I will make one for you to show you, talk about these. Let's just go up here to applications and let's choose a random game. Let's choose chess. Okay. Quick add the launcher to the desktop. So all we have to do, and it's the equivalent of clicking Create Shortcut on our Windows machine. And unlike Windows, when you move the icons around, instead of snapping to the grid like in Windows, you can maneuver this any way you want and minute movements. So you can get very precise in your desktop icon placement. And then we can, I'm not going to keep this, so I'll just send it to the trash bin. And as you can see down here in the lower right hand corner, there's a gray square and a blue square. That's two desktops. You can click on the gray square to go to your second desktop. This is good. Once you fill up a desktop, you can move to another one. Unlike Windows, where you can't, unless you download software. I know there's something out there, I've seen it before. We have multiple desktops. And that down there too is also trash can. Default web client is Mozilla, as with most Linux distributions. It's just like normal Mozilla Firefox, everything just like the one you probably have on your computer right now, except it's in our Ubuntu theme. It's pretty neat. Ubuntu is a very small operating system. It's good for desktop, laptop PCs like netbooks. While I'm just goofing off right here, I'm going to spend more time talking. It's fast. I like it. If I had a netbook, which I'm soon to buy one, I would put this on it, because it takes up less space than Windows XP. But it has visual effects just as good as Vista, I think, in my opinion. And it has good software too. All this comes with it, like as far as productivity, OpenOffice. That'll be separate videos on everything. And all this stuff, the internet resources, Pigeon Messenger, Mozilla Firefox, Valuation Mail. We'll go over all that in future videos. Open up Pigeon, see what it does. Close it. Up here, this is the equivalent to the system tray on your Windows machine. Calendar, we click on that. This is the network and sound control right here, and that is updates, and that's Pigeon icon. And the little green man in the corner up here, he's the cut down, shut off, log off controls. System preferences. This is the equivalent to control panel. We have all of our different settings, and I'm not going to make videos on all of them because y'all can do what y'all want there unless you need help. If you need help with anything, by the way, you can contact me by private message, comment. My video, my channel, not channel, email link will be on the description just in case. Let's do screensavers. Wow, Windows doesn't have that many default pre-installed screensavers, as you would say. Ubuntu has quite a bit. Let's test this one out. Oh, that's pretty neat. But anyways, yeah, it has a great deal more than Windows, but they're all simple stuff like this. Most of them. Then we go down here to over here to accessibility. We have all of our handicaps help. It doesn't really offer that much support for the handicapped people, folks. I mean, we have our on-screen keyboard, and I think you can do some really loud stuff. I'll cover that all in some videos, but that's cool. But all this will be covered in detail in some of my videos, and thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.